Hi everyone! For today's video, I will show you how to install a CISS conversion kit for a Brother MFC-J3520 printer. So as you can see here, the system is already installed and working. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so here is one of the tanks. As you can see, I've already filled it up with ink. So if you're going to need to fill it up, all you have to do is just pour the ink here in this. Then after that, install the air filter, which are included in the kit, and install the rubber plugs. There you go. Unfortunately, when I bought these online, the chips needed for the cartridges to work are not included because this kit was meant to work with the same cartridge but for a different printer model that doesn't need the chips. It is also the reason why it is a lot cheaper from the other ones sold online. Fortunately, there's a workaround. So this is an empty ink cartridge for the printer, and as you can see, the cartridge has its own circuit board, and that is exactly what we need. So what we have to do is to get a blade and remove it from the cartridge. Carefully remove the locks, which are just basically melted plastic that locks. It just locks the circuit board in place. So when you get it out, there you go. So now that we have the chips that we need to put into our cartridges, all we have to do is to install it. So here's how we do it. First, we have to remove the dedicated chip slot. It has locks on both sides. What we have to do is to push it out with a flat screwdriver. Then you can get it off. There. Then you can now put the chips into the chip slot and lock it back in place. There. Now you have to do it with the other cartridges. You can actually unlock it on one side and can just slide it in. There. Much easier. You don't have to remove both locks. No. There you go. There, all done. Okay, so here we now have all the cartridges installed with the circuit boards. All we have to do now is to install it to the printer. Okay, so first we have to do is to open the ink cover, then slowly install each tank into its designated place. Push, there you go. Okay, so with the tanks installed, you can see that there is a prompt that says closed ink cover. But since the tank is on the way, so we cannot actually close. So what we need to do is install this one, which is also included in the kit. All you have to do is to push it inside, wedge it in between. There you go. Push it, and there you go. This prompt just says that it cannot detect the ink volume, but don't worry, that's fine. So you can just close that one. There you go. Now we can print quality, press OK. We can now go for a test print. So just press here, test print. For the print quality, press OK. There you go. Excellent quality. Just press yes. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have a comment or suggestion, please leave a message on the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. That's it. Thank you for watching.